In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how we can remove a background from a video using Canva just in few seconds. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So to remove the background from a video, it's super easy. All you have to do is you just need to click on the video on Canva, okay? So I want to remove the background from this video, okay? As you can see. So what you will do, you will click on the video, okay? Just click on the video and you should see over here edit video. Click on edit video and you will be in this over here. You should see over here those tools, okay? You have a background remover. Click on background remover and here you go. That's how we can remove, and your background will be removed from your video. That's how we can remove the background from a video using Canva, okay? After you finish, you can click on share and you can click over here on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.